Hey, it's the Midnight Round, and today this is box 2 of my Marathon HMB unboxing. I have 3 of the knockout boxes, 2 in blue and 1 in red, and then I have 3 of the other mystery boxes that HMB also do. So today we're looking at this one. It's a $9.99 blue knockout box. The colour apparently is irrelevant, it's just the box. You get $9.99 and for $24.99 worth of value for $9.99. You get 5 items at minimum. Whether the value is there sometimes is hit and miss. Sometimes I honestly believe there isn't the value there, and I'm not sure where they got the total from, but we are going to take that on the nose. Usually these boxes aren't too bad. The other mystery boxes that HM do are just we'll talk about them in another video. But we're going to open this up and see what we get. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to me. I am the Midnight Raven. I don't usually dress like this, but it is 26 degrees outside, I believe, right now, and I am boiling. So you're lucky to see me in a dress and my new fancy summer hat. So let's take a look, open this bad boy up, and see how many repeats we have from previous boxes. Because these mystery boxes have a tendency to have the same things in. I do go to 2 different stores, mind you, to try and mix it up a little, but it doesn't work. Okay, so first things first, another repeat, another Star Wars egg. We get so many of these. They're in like every box. It's like no one wanted them when they came out. And I can see why. So this is Star Wars pencil topper. There are a number of pencil toppers that you can get. They come in various. There are 6 to collect. I'm sure I've got nearly all of them. So you've got Boba Fett, C-3PO, Darth Vader, Stormtrooper, other Stormtrooper, and what I call Pilot. So you've got all those to collect. I must have nearly all of them. I must have by now. And today we get Darth Vader. They are kind of impressive. If you were going to school, I mean, you wouldn't be allowed to take these to school, but at home, you could be impressed by this. So, a Stormtrooper, not Stormtrooper, Darth Vader pen topper. Not worth a good deal, but it is official Star Wars merch. Okay. Next, we got another bobblehead thing, and this is the Ghostbusters My Moji. So this is, I believe it's another pen topper or a vinyl figurehead. We've had these as well. I so wanted to get Slimer and never got it all. Mr. Puffman. So let's have a look and see. Always get the same people. All we ever get are the people. I've never had a Puffman or a Slimer. We always get this one guy constantly, which is kind of annoying. I'd love him or Slimer, and we always get this guy, so it's a bit of a letdown. It's not even a pencil topper, which would have made it cooler. It's just a little head that you stick on the side. I don't even know if it would sit. Yeah, like that. Kind of naff, but that's mystery boxes for you. Okay, so that's the naff items out the way. Next. Ooh, yeah, Game of Thrones. Who doesn't love Game of Thrones? Oh, that's right, me. Because we get way too many Game of Thrones things in this box. You've heard me rant before. If you haven't, then prepare yourself. Game of Thrones is in nearly every box. Doesn't matter what mystery box you buy from HMB, there's Game of Thrones. Now, they do an actual Game of Thrones box, which is $25.99. But I'm just sick of Game of Thrones. It was that and Frozen 2. They just filled the boxes. So this is a house sign magnet set. I mean, for the fact that it's a house sign magnet set, it's kind of cool. You've got the lion here, I think. Another lion. You've got the deer, which is probably the favourite one. And then at the bottom, you've got what looks like a 3-headed dragon. These are kind of cute, but I do have quite a few sets of these. which is kind of annoying. So, next we have another repeat, and this is The Journey's End Doctor Who Davros. So, if you didn't know, Davros is my favourite character from Doctor Who. Always has been, always will be. So, this is from, cannot remember because it is stuck under here, but it's from a particular episode or something. It's from the 10th Doctor, which is under there, which I believe was Matt Smith, the 10th Doctor. Was it Matt Smith? I think. Can't remember. But it's a cute little figure of Davros. I don't know if you can see that in there. The little creepy, weird man in his really cool Dalek, mind you. Now, I'm not a big fan of Doctor Who. I was originally, and then it just kind of went downhill. And that's not because a woman became the Doctor. It's just because I think Doctor Who has had its time. And I think now it's just like James Bond. You're just flogging a thing for the sake of flogging. Sometimes you have to let a good series die. But because everyone likes it, they're obviously not going to. And it's the biggest thing the BBC has. And then last of all, we have a new item, finally. So this is the Marauders Mat. And this is obviously from Harry Potter. So this is just like a very tacky picture of a map. Very tacky. It's not really anything like overly exciting. And I've seen some overly exciting notebooks because we sell them at work. We have an entire Harry Potter 25th anniversary display, and we have so many notebooks, it's unbelievable. This one is also square, which is kind of different, probably why it didn't sell very well. A lot of people don't use square notebooks unless you're in like high school. That's what square notebooks are generally for. They're for high schoolers. I sell a few of them at work, but generally they're to kids, not to like adults. So the only new item we have is the notebook. So we've got that. Then we have my favourite item from the box. I'm going to say it's the Davros. Absolutely love his character, and I think he made Doctor Who for me, apart from some of the doctors like Tom Baker and John Pertwee. And then you have Game of Thrones, house sign magnets. Not the worst thing in the box, but it is an item I've already had. Then we get one of these, my emoji. I just wish we could get a different character. I wish I could collect the set if I'm going to be getting these mystery boxes. But it's the same dude again. And then we have the pencil topper of Darth Vader, which I probably have the full collection of now. So, in the comments, today's question of the day: who was your favourite Doctor Who? Who was your favourite Doctor Who? Put it in the comments down below. Let me know who your favourite Doctor was. My favourite Doctor of all time was David Tennant. I think he played the Doctor just on point. But if you want to go to an old school Doctor, it would have been Tom Baker, or John Pertwee, or Sylvester McCoy. They all did really good portrayals of a Doctor, each with their own spin on the character. But back to the box before we get completely sidetracked. So comment down below your favourite Doctor Who character, favourite Doctor. $9.99 knockout box, $24.99 value. Do we have the value? I'm saying no, not in this box. This is £10 or £15 online because I've googled it. The book, maybe a fiver because it's Harry Potter. This thing's maybe a fiver, so if you're talking like 10 or 15 for this, like 10, 15, 20, and then the other bits, maybe 25 altogether. But you are stretching with this box to get the value. But if you want to check out these mystery boxes, go to your local HMV, or you can actually order these online and stay in the comfort of your home so you don't get third-degree sunburn because it's too hot. So, if you want to see more of these, give us a big thumbs up. Like I said, comment down below your favourite Doctor Who. Like and subscribe if you want to support the channel. Remember, PayPal, a super chat, a super thanks, or become a member for extra videos. Follow me on Instagram as well for pictures, and I will see you very soon for another video. Take care and enjoy the sun. Thanks for watching. Bye.